It is an oasis in a sea of chaos. It's the cleanest place on the entire property. I'm not even gonna go over there because there's not even a touch of sawdust over there.
We're aiming for 2 inches, so we need a 1/4 inch seam allowance times 2 for both sides is 4.5 inches. Yeah?
Yeah. That math checks out.
Okay. See if that squares it. Nice. 1. That's 3. I'm just gonna make as many straps as I can out of this. No string. And now there's 2 strings. And they slide so nice. make sure it's rounded. I feel like I'm being serenaded. That nice guitar. Actually, do you know what it reminds me of? University. I would sit in a spare room in the music building and people would be tootling on their horns and stuff. It was actually really nice. I like a little bit of noise. It was better than the library. So the library was so quiet. Okay. The leather is grippy. There we go. Ta-da.
That worked pretty well. So we have the shot with the leather
We have
tool.
this shot with the leather tool. I'm gonna switch to this.
Okay. I wonder if it's just not sharp. That's pretty funny.